How to post anonymously on Facebook group. Posting anonymously on Facebook, especially in groups, allows users to share without revealing their identity. So, firstly, all you have to do is open Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once logged in, go to the search address bar and search for the any Facebook group. Facebook allows anonymous posts in certain groups where the feature is enabled by admins. So simply search for any group. Here I am searching the science group and tap on the group page. Now all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the post option available there and look for the anonymous post. Toggle that switch on. Now simply tap the audience selector and use custom to share with specific people or exclude certain individuals, and write down your post and simply post it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.